Efficient, consistent processes are critical for any manufacturer, ensuring companies deliver the high-quality products their customers demand and rely on. But monitoring those processes can be challenging. Often, a problem only becomes apparent at the end of the production line, and finding out what's causing the problem can take days or longer, as plant managers and machine operators pore over spreadsheets of historical data. These delays can mean idle machines, stalled production lines, and frustrated customers. Syntax can help with Syntax's Statistical Process Control application, or Syntax SPC. Syntax SPC is our innovative statistical process control solution. Built on the cloud, Syntax SPC is fully integrated with SAP Digital Manufacturing and SAP S/4HANA. Our solution brings advanced real-time statistical analysis of your manufacturing data to your shop floor. Machine operators can access Syntax SPC data visualizations directly through the familiar production operator dashboard they already use. This enables operators to assess process performance against relevant KPIs at a glance, with minimal disruption to their work. This approach for statistical process control ensures fast, flexible, and integrated solution offerings for customers. Automatic notifications alert operators to any process deviations. This allows the plant team to make smarter, faster, data-driven decisions that keep production lines moving and product quality high. SAP Digital Manufacturing also addresses SPC requirements of existing SAP MII customers looking to make the move to SAP Digital Manufacturing in the future. Syntax SPC is a highly flexible solution. Companies can apply it to any manufacturing process, adjusting specifications and tailoring rules to fit their unique requirements and enable precise quality control. Syntax's Statistical Process Control applications puts your data at the forefront of your manufacturing operations. It enhances real-time, data-driven decision-making and helps your business achieve operational excellence and deliver continuous process and quality improvement across the production line, creating a more sustainable business where you can work more efficiently, cut down time, reduce scrap, leading to lower costs. Ready to learn more? Give us a call.